hello people, I found a solution how to fix a knife problem, because I had the issue because when I was using option lock to check the cursor, 3D cursor, my knife tool wasn't working before. You can see that error, it came up. But what I deselected 3D cursor. I think Blender developers have to pay attention on this particular problem. Now I can use knife tool. I will have to report that error. If you want to cut through, you can press Z. I think I have to let the developers know about that issue. I think this option I didn't report. I will have to tell the developers, but I will be publishing to you a new video tutorial how you can fix knife tool in perspective viewport. But they have to fix that because I didn't know this is main problem. I found out today. I'm using Blender beta version 3.40 beta compilation 19th of November 2022 2022 is better for me to say like that. 2022. Aha, okay, because some people say 2022, I refer to you say 2022. Well, I will have to tell them about this option. Hopefully they will fix it. Okay, see you guys.